Bottom the top minus top the bottom all over bottom square. A very good melodious song, right? I know some of you will be wondering, what is this man saying? Fine, yes. Bottom the top minus top the bottom all over bottom square. It's an acronym that will be very helpful to us in quotient rule. Watch this video to the end, you will see how to apply that melodious song in quotient rule. Fine, you recall that the quotient rule is one of the techniques of differentiation we explained in my last video. Now, this is how the quotient rule behaves. Take for instance, you have y equals to u over v, and you are to differentiate this function. Recall that your u in this case is the top and v is the bottom. Then it becomes very important that we apply quotient rule because this is a fraction, and fraction is most of the time very popular when solving differentiation. When you have a fraction, the first technique you check out for is the quotient rule. Your u here is the top, the v is the bottom. And then the y by dx for quotient rule is v du ds minus u dv ds all over v square. Now v here is the bottom, the top minus top, the bottom all over bottom square. Now this is where that sum came from. Top the bottom minus bottom the top all over bottom square. You recall that as one of the techniques of differentiation, you will be checked whether you can apply the procedure or not. And that's why we are using this example, y equals to 1 all over x squared plus 1, to illustrate the quotient rule. In this case, I will let my u equals to 1, meaning that the u by ds will be equals to 0. Then v will be equals to x squared plus 1, meaning that dv ds equals to 2s. Now at this stage, you state the quotient rule. The y by ds equals to v du ds minus u dv ds all over v square, or bottom the top minus top the bottom all over bottom square. Recall that in this quotient rule, this subtraction sign makes it very sensitive. Subtraction is not commutative, and as such, you don't write this formula the other way around. Subtraction is not like addition and multiplication, in which the order of appearance of the term does not matter. In subtraction, the term that picks the negative sign is very, very important and should be treated as such. Now, having gotten or chosen your u, which is the numerator, and your v, which is the denominator, and you have also differentiated them, then substitute into this formula. When you substitute into the formula, you have the y by the x, in this case, will be equals to x squared plus 1, which is your v. Your du ds is 0 minus u is 1, dv ds is 2x all over bottom square, which is your x squared plus 1. Put everything in bracket and square it. Yes, when you simplify that, you finally get your dy by dx equals to minus 2x all over x squared plus 1, everything square. Now you will say that when you apply quotient rule to solving fractional differentiation, is very, very fast, it's accurate, and of course interesting. So once again, bottom the top minus top the bottom all over bottom square. Is this strange again? Obviously not. So your assignment, once again, write out this example, try solving it again on your own. If you have any challenge, drop your comment in the comment section of this video. Thank you very much, my great friends. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Of course, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do us the honor and favor, subscribe to this channel. And for our returning viewers, thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing you, friends, in my next video. Bye.